Hey, the topic for today is polynomials, sums, and products. We are gonna show you how add some polynomials, make addition with polynomials, and then also some multiplication products. Before, we have to remember these backgrounds. If n, for example, in this case, if n is any natural number and a is any real numbers, then we define the symbol an by writing an equals a times a times a. Whatever the number, the exponent you have. I mean, we have to remember this concept, or at least review. What is the exponent? For example, you have an here. This is called exponent. Exponent. And then a is the base. It's the base. Exponential. This is another concept. Exponential. This word. It's like you have 4 to the third power is going to be equals 4 times 4 times 4 equals 64. And another problem is negative 6 to the second power is equals 36. Exponential expression. Another concept, a very important review, is that when the variable raised to powers is called a term. Very important. We have to remember what I mean term. What is a term? These ideas just review before to start our class for today. Actually, sums this topic and difference of polynomials can be found by using the distributive property. Distributive property. And that way we have here one example. If we have 3m to the 5th power minus a, look at this, m to the 5th power 2, we are able to write our problem in this way: 3 minus 8, right, times m to the 5th power. What is the answer here? This is going to be equals 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8 is minus negative 5. Negative 5 m to the 5th power. This is the answer. Let's see another one. If you write 2y to the 4th power minus 3y to the 2nd power plus y plus, let's add 4y to the 4th power plus 7y to the 2nd power plus 6y. this is going to be equals. Let's write here equals. We don't have a space right here. Just add it. We are gonna add right here. We are gonna have 2 plus 4 here. 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. Use a distributive property. 2 plus 4. Y to the 4 power plus minus 3 here, or negative 3 plus 7 times y to the second power plus here the coefficient is 1, just write 1 here plus 6, it is 6 times y. It's going to be simplified. You simplify 2 plus 4 is 6y to the 4 power, and then plus negative 3 plus positive 7 is 4y to the second power, plus 6 plus 1 or 1 plus 6 is 7y. This is the answer. Okay, ready? This is regarding to the sums or the addition. Let's go how multiply, or let's see the products. We need to review some laws or some rules before. Products of not polynomials. Now let's go to products of polynomials. Products of polynomials. Here, properties of we have to review properties of the exponents. Of exponents. And we have to review some properties. The first one, remember, first property. A long time ago, I show you. First one, you have a to the n power times a to the n power. This is equals a to the m plus n. I mean, the exponents are. Another property which we have to remember is, for example, you divided numbers. You divided numbers like this: a to the n power divided by a to the n power. You are going to have here, for example, m. So the exponent subtract minus n here, minus m, if m is greater than n. Another clue here, but we need to remember m equals 1 if m is equals 10. It's 1. I mean, and a is different of 0. Different of 0. The third important thing here is you have to remember n here minus m if m is less than n. Another property, number 3, when you have numbers like these are powers, like this is equals a m times n. So multiply, the exponents multiply. Number 4, rule number 4, you have a times b, see, to the m power. This is equals a m times bm. Another property, number 5, just you review, remember some, you have b divided by b to the m power. This is equals am divided by bm to the m power. Of course, p different 0. Those kind of rules you have to keep in your mind. Don't forget this kind of rule. Exponents, property of the exponents. Okay, now let's go and do solve some problems. The first problem is we have the first one 4 to the times x to the third power times minus 3 to the x to the fifth power. This is product. We have to multiply. So in this way, let's do this 4 times negative 3 here. The variables, write the variables here with exponent times x, the variable x times to the third power times x to the fifth power. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12, right? Okay. X, when the exponents, when you multiply the same base, the exponents added, so it equals 8. Remember the rules before I write it here. Let's solve another problem. Negative 3 to the 4th power times negative 3 to the 5th power. This is going to be equals minus 3 to the 4th power times negative 3 to the 5th power. See? And then this is negative. I don't want to do all the steps. Just please use here is 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27 times 3, 81. Let me simplify the problem here. Just simplify. I'm gonna simplify. I don't want to solve. So here, just write 3. Negative times negative is positive 3. 4 plus 5 is 9. Don't solve it. Just remember the properties of the exponent. Let's see this problem. Let's see this problem. You have m to the 4 powers times n to the second power. Here, divided by m to the third power times n to the fifth power. It's going to be, just how solve this problem. This is going to be m, right? M to the 4th power and the bottom m to the third power times n. We have to multiply by n to the second power divided by n to the fifth power, right here. See? This is equals here m times 1 to the n to the third power. See? The answer, so review your notes, please. Review your notes. It's going to be m divided by n to the third power. See? That's the answer in that problem. Let's solve one last one just for review the properties of the exponents. Like I told you, 6 to the 4th power divided by 6 to the 4th power. Very simple. It's going to be 6. When you divide the exponents, subtract. It's going to be 6 to the 0th power. This is equals 1. Why? Because this property a to the 0th power is equals 1. Remember this rule. All right, this is a property for applying the properties of the exponents. Let's continue with couple of problems. A couple more problems using the distributive property. Here, distributive. We are going to use this property when I solve this product of two polynomials. product of two polynomials. Let's write 3x minus 4, okay? Minus 4 times 2x to the second power minus 3x plus 5. Let me write that again because I don't have enough space. You just write 3x plus 4, minus 4 times 2x to the second power minus 3x plus 5. I'm gonna write all the answer right here. First step, write it's too long the process. If you apply the distributive property it's very hard. Maybe if you write the problem like this, this is one way, two ways, but to me this is the best way. 2x, let's write the problem 2x to the second power minus 3x plus 5. See, it's easier this way. Times 3x minus 4. See, I'm gonna solve right here. Very simple because you say times, say process like right here. Multiply here. 4 times 2 is 8. Is negative times positive is 8x squared. The negative times negative is positive. Right here is 4 times 3 is 12x, and then negative times positive is negative, is 20. 4 times 5 is 20. Let's do another, the 3x. Now 3x is going to be 3 times 2 is 6 right here. 6x to the third power. See? And then minus 3 times 3 is 9. 9x to the second power. Plus 3 times 5 is times 5 is 15x. Just now add. You have the same terms, like terms, easier. Right here is 20. Here you're gonna have how much? It's plus 27x. 9 plus 8. We are gonna have negative. Negative is negative. Here is negative 8. It's negative 8 here. Yeah. Negative 4 times positive 8 is negative 8. Right here gonna be negative 17x squared, and then here 6x to the third power. See, so simple. This problem is I think to me is the easier way to write the problem. Let's write another problem here. Different problem. And let's see the problem number 2 right here. Let's write 6m plus 1 multiplied by 4m minus 3. Okay, this is going to be equals, just multiply 1 by 1 using the distributive property. Here is okay. 6m times 4m plus 6m times negative 3 now plus 1 here, 1 times what? Times 4m here, plus 1 here. This is a distributive property times negative 3. See, here is okay to use the not this way. It's okay this way. So now simplify the like term. You are gonna have here times is 24m. See, minus 6, 18, negative 18, and 4 is going to be negative 14m. You simplify, right? Minus 3. See? This is the right answer here. All right, let's do another, one more, some for remember problems like this. You have this problem here, 2x plus 7 times 2x minus 7. Wait, what this mean? I mean this. You have to remember some kind of rule here. Remember this rule is a difference or square, right? Difference or square. Like this x plus y times x minus y. See, remember this rule? This is going to be x squared minus y squared. See, this problem is kind of like that. So then we are going to have the square, the first one. What is the square, the first term? The square, the first term is going to be 4x squared minus 49. 49. See, this is one kind of problem. Let's solve another one. This is simple, very simple. When you have 2m here, 2m, and let's I try to remember 2m minus 5 to the second power. What is this? Remember this rule? When you have y minus or plus y to the second power, what is the answer? You're going to have the square, the first term, plus, what else? The double times x times y plus the square, the second one. See? This problem is same this. Then, therefore, our problem is going to be square. The first one is 4m squared, see, plus 2 times what? 2 times 2m times minus 5. Follow the rule. Plus square the last one, minus 5. See?